Biochar, the activated carbon, as I said, whatever you have biochar, it has its value. You want to slightly improve, you have gold chain. You want it to look more better, what you will do? थोड़ा टैमरिन डाल के ऐसा करते, थोड़ा इम्प्रूव हो गया, लेकिन वही है ना, गोल्ड ही तो है ना. तो वैसे ही बायोचार ही है. By doing that steaming or by acid treatment, you are only increasing its potential a little bit. जैसा चाय पी के मैं थोड़ा एक्टिव हो गया.
So just by soaking it overnight will also work.
That's okay, that's fine. That when high-end things use करते हैं ना, जैसा you have your own water purifier, RO filter. Within RO you have activated carbon filter. Because that's a small setup, they use that candle. Filled with, you cut one RO activated carbon, when it goes up, take one knife and then cut and take out, nothing, your charcoal will. Only it is very specially written activated carbon or nanocarbon. Some hyphen terms are written so that you will never know that you are only filtering the charcoal. Okay,
So, in fish tanks, aquariums, usually to remove the water color, odor,
yeah,
and
charcoal is
chemical,
better.
yeah, any chemical residues.
Smell also.
Yeah, smell also, odor. So they sell it as activated carbon. Yeah, this much box will, this much will cost you around 150 rupees. Okay, so can regular charcoal be used?
I use this much stick like, because shape is retained, no? Beautiful shape.
Yeah, it
I
looks.
placed one nice Buddha also inside. So one natural stick will be there.
Right.
That is here, and nice beautiful Buddha and some natural stones. Then some fish, small fishes. Happily they are enjoying.
Will it not soak and break when you keep it in water for long?
See, that is the fundamental difference. Any wet thing will blow up. Let us say you have this pulses. Overnight if you soak, what will happen?
जमने से मिला
They swell. But charcoal remains charcoal only. There is nothing which can make it is once it is biochar or charcoal, it will not swell, because it's hydrogen, oxygen, carbon. HO is gone, C is remaining.
everything is
Okay, that is recalcitrant. Recalcitrant means it is like inert thing, but it is inert. You can't do anything more with that. Okay, after 1000 years also it will be like that only. Okay, so that is the highest value that it has.
In water, nothing will happen.
Not even 1 mm also it will not increase in size. It will be
It won't
additive.
release small particles also, like slowly.
definitely
You can crush it, that is fine, but on its own
No.
it will not swell.
no that will release small particles no
On its own it will not swell. Even after absorbing water, this biochar has absorbed water now. It remains same.
So it will not break into small particles because I have seen that.
No, it will break.
Yeah.
Breaking is different, swelling is different. Got it? Different. Breaking means even this whole thing, if I do like this, what will happen?
No, on its own.
on its own
We have seen that
On its own, unless you put some pressure, why it will break?
because fishes are there, they are constantly moving, so it will break. Right? Because we have seen that in aquariums.
आप चारकोल का लंप है ना इधर बड़ा स्टिक का है ये बहुत only I mean to say like this kind of charcoal, no fish can eat, no fish can.
The fish will not eat, sir. When it moves.
कुछ नहीं होता.
the top layer
I'm
छोड़ो ना
using-
करके देखो मैं तो मैं
Yeah, I am using biochar. Yeah.
don't worry.
I am using biochar in aquarium.
It is eating.
It is not eating. When the fish moves, it breaks into small particles and it
Must be your wood is too brittle.
probably, yeah.
You take one hardwood kind of wood, then it will remain.
Can you suggest some wood, sir? name it trees.
Prosopis juliflora is one of the best coking coal भी बोलते हैं उसको.
తుమ్మ చెట్టు ముళ్ళ చెట్టు
Thorny, it is a semi-arid, arid environment plant.
జూలిఫ్లోరా
Prosopis juliflora.
Which one?
Prosopis juliflora.
कांटे का पेड़.
इसका कांटा इतना होता है.
ये लंबा लंबा येलो कलर फ्रूट्स आएगी वो ऑल द गोड्स विल ईट दैट फ्रूट्स इन द रेनी सीजन
అది నల్లగా అది కూడా తింటా. गोल्डन कलर ऐसा आते
गोल्डन
fruit.
कलर पार्ट्स रहता है ऐसा ऐसा लंबा
बबुल बबुल बोलते हैं उधर.
बबुल फैमिली का है
बबुल फैमिली का ही है.
बबुल काला दिखता है ये वाइट ग्रीन दिखता है
गुजरात में भी ज्यादा रहता. 150 ईयर से चल के अब आ गया इंडिया को. 150 ईयर्स बैक नहीं था. स्लोली 150 ईयर से इंडिया में पूरा फैल गया.
where the wetlands are
I wrote a book on Prosopis juliflora. You can download.
wetlands
So Prosopis juliflora is a exotic plant. If you make charcoal out of it, no forest department will come in between. And it is having very good quality charcoal because very hardwood it has. Okay, that's why they use as coking coal. In steel processing plants, they use this coal. Then the steel production happens in its presence. Somewhat like reduction agent something कुछ काम करता है बोलते. ठीक है. तो वैसा चारकोल थोड़ा हार्ड भी रहता. यू कैन यूज वेरी नाइसली इवन एज डेकोरेटिव पीसेस इन योर विंडोज एज इट इज नेचुरली शेप है. इका बेना होता है ना कुछ स्टाइल फ्लावर लगाने का. उसमें भी चारकोल से ऐसा ऐसा करके उसका ऊपर एक मनी प्लांट भी उसका ऊपर ऐसा चढ़ा हो ना बहुत अच्छा दिखता. कॉन्ट्रास्ट ब्लैक एंड ग्रीन इज परफेक्ट. बहुत मजा आएगा. मेरे खिड़की में हरदम मनी प्लांट पूरा पड़ा रहता और ये चारकोल पीसेस भी रहते. और फ्लावर पॉट्स में भी डाल दो. पुट दिस चारकोल पीसेस आउटसाइड आल्सो, नॉट ओनली मिक्स्ड, नाइस चंक्स. तो हवा जब अंदर आएगा, इंडोर एयर पोल्यूशन इज द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम. अब बाहर रह के नहीं मर रहे, घर में बैठ के मर रहे. Because your own food, your own toilets, your own integrated systems, your own perfumes, your own soaps, your own cleaners, everything is making you miserable. I am just demonstrating. देखो ये कंटेनर कोई भी लो मेजरिंग के लिए, जस्ट ओनली फॉर दैट सेक. देखो ये एक पार्ट है ना, नीचे डाले तो मुश्किल होता फिर झाड़ू मारना. इधर तो दिखता नहीं. ये इधर एक पार्ट डाला है. हो गया, दिख रहा है. अभी कंपोस्ट लिया है एक पार्ट. एनीथिंग फार्म यार्ड मैन्योर, कंपोस्ट, पोल्ट्री लिटर, कुछ भी ले लो. ये एक पार्ट हो गया ना. If you are using directly into the soil as it is, what will happen? First 1 year,
nothing, we don't get anything.
you might get negative because it will absorb the nutrients from your soil. It will compete with the plant. So if you mix with the compost directly, 1 part हो गया, 2 parts हो गया ना. अभी क्या करो, थोड़ा मिट्टी लेके आओ उधर, सॉइल माइक्रो थोड़ा सा. ये मैं इनोकुलेट कर रहा हूँ. इसमें क्या है, मिलियंस ऑफ माइक्रोब्स है कि नहीं इधर? डेफिनेटली है. सो इफ यू वांट टू सेलेक्ट व्हाट इज बेस्ट, इफ यू वांट टू अप्लाई दिस फॉर मैंगो प्लांट्स in your area, you see one beautiful mango plant which is having very nice yield and it is like mother tree. It had been there for so many years. Go to that plant, just spray that plant, take some soil from that mother plant tree around that, bring it. So that what will happen is the plants which were close to that mango plant, those microbes will help your mango plant. Got it? Don't go and buy some Mexican microbes or something like that. Okay. So very little, about 1%. What you can do? You add it. Okay. Then what will happen? You mix it. So there are different methods. Either you mix by hand, if you have some farmers, they communicate 5 tractors charcoal, 5 tractors farm-made manure. How do they mix? They get JCBs.
The large scale.
Large scale. They put in rows and then they turn it. If it is, it can be done by hand on a small scale, do by hand. If you can use something, then do it like that. Then what we have to do is, ये जागरी का पानी है ना, जागरी water. This one also, some jaggery water, you can keep on drum, put some hardly 1% or less than 1% jaggery water there. So थोड़ा सा इसको ऐसा छिलकना है. It need not be too sweet, but some sweetness okay चलेगा. छिड़का के फिर इसको ऐसा करना है. ओके. अभी ये करने के बाद अभी टू ड्राई है, थोड़ा पानी ज़्यादा लगता है. So initially what will happen is the temperature will increase. You have to buy from food grade, क्या बोलते हैं, फूड ग्रेड वाला एक टेम्परेचर थर्मोमीटर खरीदना है. छोटा सा मिलता है ना डिजिटल.
अमेजन.
अभी ऐसा किया है
अमेजन.
हाँ, ये फर्स्ट डे है. So what will happen 2-3 days if you see, slowly the temperature will increase. फिर भी पानी डालना है ऐसा मिक्स करना है. It means your microbes are very active. Your temperature is increasing means, देखो ऐसा रहना कि इधर से पानी नहीं निकलना, but it is still wet.
లడ్డూలు చేస్తాం కదా.
Got it? So this much only you have to wet it and dry under this, like the shady place. If you don't have anything, put some grass, paddy straw कोई भी होता है ना, just उसको ऊपर डाल दो ओपन एरिया में. तो फिर नेक्स्ट डे you see temperature, first day it will increase, it will come down, it will increase, then finally at the end it won't increase much. Okay, it means that by that day it is okay.
How many days?
15 days is enough, because compost somewhere it is done already. You are getting that compost, but still when you make this process, some temperature increase will be there, because we are adding jaggery water and we introduced microbes. These microbes you can buy Trichoderma viridae, Pseudomonas phosphorescens, fluorescens, क्या है बहुत है, नाम याद नहीं रहता, बहुत ज़्यादा है. तो वो पूरा मिलता है, वो भी ऐड कर सकते हैं, या अपना लोकल साइल जहाँ भी अच्छे वो उधर से थोड़ा इधर से थोड़ा डाल के भी कर सकते हैं. ओके. अगर उसके बाद जागरी नहीं थे, कोको कोला भी डाल सकते हैं, कुछ भी डालो, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, इफ योर माइक्रोब्स आर हैप्पी. ओके. तो they need some sugars, high sugars, है कि नहीं, तो to bloom.
Like us.
हाँ, तो उसको डाल के बनाओ. बनाए तो ये बन जाएगा. अभी इसको क्या करो, आफ्टर 15 days you can directly, वो सीड जर्मिनेशन का ट्रे होता है ना, सीड
वेजिटेबल ट्रे.
हाँ, वेजिटेबल का ट्रे होता है, छोटे छोटे प्लांट लगाते, उसमें डालो. 50% ये डालो, 50% लोकल साइल डालो. इसमें भी सीड लगा सकते हैं आप डायरेक्टली. इसमें कोकोपीट मिलाओ, इसमें आप जिप्सम मिलाओ, इसमें और कुछ भी मिलाओ बाद में, इफ यू वांट. अदरवाइज एज इट इज डन. सेकंड मेथड इज, टेक दिस चारकोल डिब्बा, आपका वो कैटल शेड है ना, उधर पूरा गोरोचन क्या क्या बोलते हैं पूरा मिलता है उधर.
स्लरी,
काउडंग मिलता, काउडंग मिलता, सब कुछ मिलता. तो उसमें ये छिड़का दो उधर. इवन दैट शेड विल बी क्लीन, देन यू यूज इट. ओके.
How many days it can stay there in the shed? Maybe for 1 or 2 days, or
You keep about
Every day
10
you
15
clean it,
days you can clean, or every day you put and keep aside, and after few days you use. Give some gap, because this is fresh. Fresh means even if I put in this water, it won't sink. About more than 90% it will be floating. If I put like this, no, even if I put majority will be floating. Fresh ones, it will be floating only. You see, so it will sink slowly. So anything after 15 days is better. Don't use directly. Let us say you made some biochar today and kept it open for about 1 year, just like that, unused. It is matured by chance because you kept it open like this. Okay, because there is rain, there is some water, so hydrophobic nature will go away. Okay, so this you can use directly. Now no confusion. Done. Okay. So blends means now you can add green mulch here. Larsedia is there, no? Very nice. Any plant you can add, but some nitrogen related plants are better. You can add that also here into this one.
Green ones or dry ones?
Green one, dry one, anything you add, no issue. I am telling, no, cocoa peat also you add, and you can directly grow tomatoes in this. Microgreens, you know.
Yeah.
Microgreens, all you can grow here.
Like directly, or you should add soil also.
Nothing, madam. You put microgreens, doesn't require even soils.
Compost is there, it will germinate.
Compost is there, no?
And the
Microgreens,
is
they will come like anything. Yeah, no problem. You can always add, that's not an issue. But I am telling you, flexibility I am telling what you can do. Okay? Huh? Yeah, you can add anything, no issue. That is your secret. Once you get a formula internally, what to add, what not to add,
You can play.
you can do your own tricks. So this is the simplest method. This biochar compost method nobody teaches. They always keep it as commercial thing.
Secret.
And most of the people who are selling biochar, they sell directly this biochar. ये तो चारकोल ही है ना, अभी ये बायो बन गया. Got the difference? ये चारकोल है, ये बायो है, इसलिए ये बायोचार है, ये चारकोल है. पूरा चारकोल से ही बायोचार बनता है ना, लॉजिकली. But all the charcoal is not biochar. Okay, that definition also remember. People will confuse you like anything on this earth. अपना अपना डेफिनेशन दोहरा दोहरा के मुझे पढ़ाने लगते. तो कॉमन सेंस तो होना चाहिए अपन समझने के लिए, है ना. बोलते ये डाल दो आप, 2-3 साल कुछ नहीं डाले तो भी क्रॉप आता बोलते. ऐसा भी वीडियो से ऑनलाइन में कभी एक्सपेरिमेंट किया तो पता चलता.
Did it directly applied, it is given negative effect. After that we stop. Now next year, third year, second year it
This
has
will give direct
third year
result. This will give result, direct result. But this may not give. The chances are that it may not give directly if you apply.
So does it have any shelf life, sir? Like it will.
This is minimum 1000 years. If you keep this charcoal, it remains. 1000 years minimum.
Water and all, that's why I asked.
No madam, लोग बच्चों को कुछ देते ना प्रॉपर्टीज. योर 1000th में कोई जनरेशन रहता, उनको ये चारकोल वेल में डाल के उसको क्लोज करके लोकेशन जीपीएस लोकेशन दे के पर्ची पे आफ्टर 1000 ईयर से गोल्ड लेके वो घूमेगा. दिस इज ब्लैक गोल्ड, एल्डोरेडो. एल्डोरेडो बोले तो सोने के लिए गए, सोना नहीं मिला, कोयला मिला. Because this is what sustained Amazonians. Terra preta. Without this, they would not have existed in a rainforest area. लीचिंग होता है ना, केरला में भी लेटरेट क्यों होता है? लीचिंग हो जाता है, हाई रेनफॉल था एक टाइम पे इधर. ये बेसाल्ट है, इतना लीचिंग है कि पूरा पत्थर भी लाल बन गया ऑक्सीडाइज होते, है ना.
But sir, terracotta soil had other ingredients also, like clay, fish bones.
I'm telling you,
You can add anything.
अरे पॉटरी स्टेट ऐड करो बोला, जला हुआ मिट्टी भी ऐड करो, फिश बोन क्या हमारे गांव में बताता हूँ पाटी मट्टी बोलते हैं, मीन्स ओरिजिनल सॉइल ऑफ द विलेज. उसमें क्या क्या मिलता, स्लैग मिलता, बिकॉज दिस आयरन मेकिंग वाज इंटीग्रल पार्ट ऑफ विलेज. स्लैग बोले तो ऊपर रहता है ना, वो है. फिर लेडीज को चूड़ियाँ मिलते वॉल में ही, और पॉटरी शेड्स हर कोई वेराइटी मिलता, और बोन्स मिलते तरह तरह के, जो जो चिकन का है मटन का है वो बोन भी रहता. तो इवन बॉटल्स मिलते, बॉटल होता है ना दारू पीने के बाद फूटा हुआ, वो बॉटल पीसेस भी मिलते. क्या नहीं मिलता बोलो. और शेल्स मिलते, वो कोई नदी होगा, नदी का मिट्टी आया होगा. तो टेरापेटा में एवरीथिंग इज इंटीग्रेटेड, द होल कल्चर इज इंटीग्रेटेड. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम कॉलिंग बायोचार कल्चर.
Just now, Sai Bhaskar told about the Padmatti, no? Like after you construct any of the building of the old ones, maybe before 50 years, that is the soil we used. Actually, whatever the soil we used for the applying of the lining of the walls, that is one of the oldest Nizam's house was full chasing tarvata. After demolishing, the soil is there. That's what one load of soil we kept it here. So that is what we use every time. That is one. And the second one is, there is a one guy from this village. So his farm is close to his house. So that entire farm is this side, Padmatti. And you don't need to like spinach, whatever it grows there, it will give a special taste. You don't need to apply anything also. So it just come up like this. It absorbs water, it releases water very fast, and it's something different compared to any other sites.
It is a cultural end product.
Entire village
Because,
knows in
yeah,
that particular place.
The soul of a village
whatever grows,
remains
it is-
with that soil. I constructed my house mud wall. I can identify different things. I can feel that those people, their lifestyle, their way of living, 800-year-old village. So from there I collected that soil. So I get connected with the soul of that past ancestors. So it's like that. So here in biochar also, that's what all that things become fish bone, everything gets integral part. So once we start applying, again it will be like that only.
You mean to say that glass, bones, everything we can burn?
No, I am telling, told fish bone, all that. Why fish bone? There are many things which will become part of that, I am telling. In those days they may not have used glasses, but pottery sets are there. See, biochar it is a 100% value. Pottery sets has 50% value. So even if your house is demolished, all your tiles you crush them and use in your soil. They will work like your biochar only. All your pottery, why there was a culture of breaking pots, for marriage one pot, for birth one pot, for death one pot, for every summer 10 pots extra. So all this pot culture, roof tiles, everything was integral part. Even from the soil from potter's clean has the highest value. You go and beg from a potter to get his soil from this clean. He may not give. You get that more than all this biochar. Because already pottery sheds are there, burnt soil is there, and the charcoal is there, ash is there, and that you get one load. You see how it will be. Miraculous materials. You have to discover, see, science is not about inventions alone. You have to discover, I traveled, whenever I traveled, I tried to discover this biochar related things. What are the terra preta signatures that existed? So that is the best way of learning a science. Yes, it is not today only we know, today only it came. Like that, those people don't know anything, why they burn their crops. all these things sometimes we may think, but it is not part of our regular curriculum, education department. So the problem is with our systems, not with the culture. Yeah. Even animals you feed, they'll be happy, healthy. Poultry sheds, even poultry litter smells a lot. On that litter you put every day this biochar. Even in your domestic compost, kitchen waste, put a layer of this biochar in the compost layers, small layers.
At home also we can do.
Yeah, at home.
Yesterday he's saying.
So that also you can do. Your smells won't be there. Once your smells are not there, you put sambar, everything you put no in your compost. So then you put this. Toilets, it is very good. Urinals, it is one of the best thing. I suggested all public toilets should have this biochar toilet, so that this will go directly to farmers.
That one I used for the 3 years back. There is one guy from United States. He has come. His name is Jared.
Just
He made biochar here. He made toilets for urinals for the women and men separately. We use that. No smell at all. No
While
smell.
washing you use.
No. Like the charcoal was applied in the entire place. There is a place to sit, and we can use you can pass the urine there. So whoever, any number of people can go there. No smell there. So you don't need to use the water.
That's why I suggested all
need to use the
schools, especially small primary school, will
No,
be
it
there.
will be
now.
on the soil. We are sitting and we are using and we are coming back. Like that, any number of days we can use, but it will not give any bad smell. So otherwise, what happens when once you go there, you will get bad smell. No, it will not be.
That nitrogen will be, if it is released, it is very highly potent greenhouse gas. So best is tapping that urine with this biochar and then applying to soil.
Yes,
that is the
after
one of the
sometimes
very
you
good.
can take out and use.
Yeah.
So,
That is a perfect thing. Urinals, it is perfect. No problem. That's why I asked to start with schools, children. It will be very easy and they become part of this whole thing, biochar and all that.
So we start in one school in R&K.
completed, I said.
We'll see how.
It is very easy because some pipe is going down, common urinal outside. So just create a sump and pour some biochar and overnight. There used to be thefts in China, urine theft. Some days back, when urea was not there, these were the sources. No? Phosphorus, rock phosphate was not there. You have to make your own phosphorus from your own grandfather's bones or from birds' guano. And we had so many challenges. Now rock phosphate is going, your food security is under threat. Biggest threat on earth is phosphorus now. There is no phosphorus much on earth. So how do you replenish without this natural system? Sri Lanka, you see, they don't have anything. Fertilizers, is that.
So one question. If you are going on a large scale, how do you get the raw materials? Right? So if you have going for a large scale production, how do you get the raw materials? Because we need a lot of timber for this, right?
See, 870 million tons of biomass we are having from crop.
Okay. Oh, rice.
And yeah, this husky is one big thing, very, very big thing. With this we can make beautiful gas-fire stoves. Already one person has made and we can use also. We are not adopted. Otherwise there is enough biomass which is threatening our water bodies, our ecosystems, food wastage, even food processing industries wastage. Like that we have tons and tons, even cut flowers. Many processing industries are there. So all that we can integrate. So Policy we don't have. We give subsidies for urea, these, that, all that. But government has not adopted this. They give money like anything for solution to find for Punjab and Haryana farmers. But they are not integrating this kind of science. We are delayed, we are behind. We should have been far ahead. Because traditionally we know, even if you read about 100 years old agriculture book, you will be enlightened. 100-year-old back book, any agriculture textbook, you will be liberated. But you read any agriculture book now, this is corporatization, this is a different system. But if you agree, because these are decentralized things, it is not a centralized thing. So when things are decentralized, we need community participation, ownership, then support from government. So such kind of systems are required.
I have one question. So in the morning you had mentioned about using this biochar in the walls of the house. So do you have any experiences of that and anything to share?
My own house is built like that, I'm telling. I do and I tell, I never tell anything
So what,
without doing.
what benefits does it provide and how?
Yeah, that's what I'm telling. I constructed my house again at Jangam. That is about 110 kilometers northeast of Hyderabad. There I used this Rice's biochar as part of my brick making. Cement bricks only I was making, but I added different proportions. So the color also will change of the brick at the end. Handmade basically. So as I said, the values are, its weight will come down. So structurally you can go for high-rise buildings if your weight is coming down. Second thing is they are breathing. Breathing means biochar can breathe. Even it can emit far infrared radiation. These things are well spoken in Japanese cultures or Chinese bamboo biochar and all that. Okay, it is there. Even white charcoal is also there in their culture. How to produce, So your indoor air pollution, everything they'll take care. Once you don't make biochar bricks and Asian paints like a madalo, keep them natural. ये psychedelic colors डाल के दुनिया पागल बन रहा है. So use naturally as it is. Then definitely it has its value because अगर कोई अस्थमा है तो moisture control करेगा naturally, humidity. Sick building syndrome, that is very big problem. लोग बोलते हैं ना वो घर में था मुझे पूरा परिवार अस्पताल गया कोई भूत प्रेत है बोलते कुछ नहीं है उसका सिक बिल्डिंग सिंड्रोम है. You have such emissions within the building accumulated which will make everybody fall sick. So over a period you feel that उसमें और कुछ है बोलते. रात को लगेगा ना कोई आपके ऊपर बैठ के ऐसा दबा रहा गला. That is your less oxygen conditions. कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड बढ़ गया, ऑक्सीजन नहीं है, मीथेन गैस और कुछ ज़्यादा हो गया. आप देखेंगे कोई ड्रेनेज क्लीनर वाला अंदर जाता मैन होल में, उधर जाने के बाद उधर ही मर जाता 2-3 मिनट में, पता है ना. तो वी हैव वैल्यूज फॉर दिस. तो नॉट ओनली दैट आपका पिलो में डाल लो थोड़ा. ये अपना स्मेल्स होते हैं ना स्वेट का, अपना साल का पूरा किलो कैसा रहता. 1 किलो आप 10 साल तो भी यूज़ करते होंगे. अस्पताल का बेड में डालो, अरे एक ही बेड में मर रहा है फिर और कोई आ रहा है वही बेड है उसके अंदर ये डालो. एटलीस्ट इट विल हेल्प द अदर पेशेंट, नेक्स्ट पेशेंट. मास्क में डालो, आपका स्मेल आप ही ब्रीथ कर रहे बार बार अंदर अंदर. हाउ यू विल बी हेल्दी. इतना टाइट लगाते बाहर का हवा नहीं आना बोलते फिर अंदर का हवा अंदर ले रहे कि नहीं. 21% oxygen है, but your oxygen intake is very low. 18%, 17%, 12%. व्हीकल में बैठ के एसी के लिए पूरा डालते, बाहर का हवा अंदर नहीं आ रहा। तो अगर 21% ऑक्सीजन है, इट विल बिकम 15% विद इन नो टाइम। एक एक ब्रीथ में उतना कम होता है। ब्रीथ इन ब्रीथ आउट, आई एम टेकिंग 21% ऑक्सीजन, आई एम ब्रीथिंग आउट 15%। 4 लोग कार में बैठ के जा रहे, इसलिए सोते लोग। क्यों सोते? कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड ज़्यादा हो गया ना, अब कोमा में जा रहे। ड्राइवर अकेला बैठ के ड्राइव कर रहा है बेचारा, वो भी जाएगा कोमा में, उसको भी नींद आके किसी को मार देगा नहीं तो ऐसा है।
What are some disadvantages of biochar? I mean, these are very good things, but obviously there'll be something that's not nice apart from.
ओनली डिसएडवांटेज वो काला है। मैं वैसा नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, रेशल बोलते मुझे, लेकिन क्या करे, उसका जिंदगी का प्रॉब्लम में अगर मैं टालकम पाउडर पूरा इसी से बनाता, अगर यू वुड हैव यूज्ड मोर because for cultural thing or something, black is not preferred. But otherwise it should have been used more than what we are using. See, Americans have discovered, even Australians have discovered, whole Europe has discovered, I am telling you, not invented. See, it was part of our culture, then why we have ignored? our सुबह उठ के दांत भी करते थे, बासन का क्लीनिंग करते थे, हर एक चीज के लिए, इवन भूत प्रेत के लिए भी वो एक उधर कोयला लगाते। इट वॉज पार्ट ऑफ एवरीथिंग इन आवर लाइफ।
When you are giving food to one place to another place,
Add charcoal.
one charcoal piece they'll add and they'll give the food. Even in my house, it is the same practice they
Yeah.
follow. And then especially when you are carrying non-veg, without I think 2, 3, 4 pieces charcoal they'll put in that.
क्योंकि ऐसा जंगल से निकलते, कोई जंगली जानवर रहता, तो स्मेल लेके आपके पीछे पड़ता, वो 4-5 चारकोल डालने से वो ऑब्जर्व करता, देन दोस एनिमल्स विल नॉट कम।
And cooking
सेकंड
off
थिंग है
the spoiled
प्रिजर्वेशन।
cooking.
प्रिजर्वेशन, वो आम का पेटी में डालो, ऑल फ्रूट्स आल्सो यू पुट सम चारकोल, वेजिटेबल, फ्रूट्स, वॉट एवर यू वांट टू प्रिजर्व, थोड़ा चारकोल पीसेस डाल के रखो। अगर कर्री में अगर नमक भी ज़्यादा हो गया ना, थोड़ा चारकोल पीस डालते एर्लियर। तो डिसएडवांटेज कुछ नहीं है, बिकॉज यू हैव नॉट अंडरस्टूड इवन द पोटेंशियल ऑफ यूटिलिटी ऑफ बायोचार। अभी आप घर को जाते 1 किलो चारकोल लेके आते हैं, आपका माँ बोल गई ये क्यों लेके आ गई, होता है ना, बिकॉज स्लोली वी नीड टू अडॉप्ट। ये फ्रिज में डालो, उधर डालो, तो इनिशियली दे में रेसिस्ट, बट वंस यू पुट ऑन इट्स फाइन।
Experiential. You have to experience.
यू हैव टू स्लोली इंटीग्रेट। वही मास्क बोला है, इवन अपना फेस क्लीन करना है ना, इवन टिश्यू पेपर में भी अगर कोयला डाले तो देन यू कैन मेक योर फेस मोर क्लीनर। बोले तो स्टिकी वाला नहीं, चारकोल 2-3 वेराइटी होता है, ये कहे उससे करने से अपन और रंग लग जाता है, थोड़ा अच्छा क्वालिटी लगाने से वो नहीं होता, माइक्रो लेवल होता है, वो लगता नहीं कलर, ये ऐसा टाइप लगता है, ये लगता है, लेकिन तो हर कोई चारकोल नहीं लगता, तो ऐसा कर सकते हैं।